Hey guys, Apple's 8th generation iPad, introduced in September 2020, is an iterative update to the 7th generation low-cost iPad. But with an upgraded A12 Bionic processor with neural engine, there are no other new features that are new to Apple's most affordable iPad. The 8th generation 10.2-inch iPad is the best option for most people, as it offers the best balance of performance and value. If you're seeing this channel for first time and like to see similar reviews in future, then hit that subscribe button, right now. You can usually find the smaller 32GB size for only $299, at any time of year. iPad 8th generation doesn't support wireless charging. The iPad 8th generation retains the classic features of the iPad, including the Home, Touch ID sensor, the Lightning connector, headphone jack, and the Smart connector that was added with the 7th generation. The iPad's 8MP back camera features a hybrid IR filter, autofocus and HDR, while its 1.2MP FaceTime HD front camera, that also allows for 720p video recording, makes video calls possible. The 8th generation iPad with the A12 Bionic chip delivers a huge leap in performance, with 40% faster CPU performance and twice the graphics capability. With Touch ID, unlocking iPad is simple and secure using just a finger, to keep important information safe. You can also pair the iPad with a PS4 or Xbox controller, and use your iPad as an external screen. With the Mac running macOS Catalina or the latest macOS Big Sur, using the Mac's Sidecar software feature. This also lets you use an iPad as a graphics tablet for your Mac. With the Apple Pencil, you can sign documents with a real signature, take notes, draw and edit on your Mac using the iPad. And if you don't want to connect via Lightning cable, we found Sidecar also works very well via Wi-Fi. Battery life was slightly longer in our tests compared to the 7th gen model, with an extra 30 minutes of average time added, while the screen brightness was measured at slightly higher than the 7th gen. 498 nits compared to 467 nits. If you're seeing this channel for first time and like to see similar reviews in future, then hit that subscribe button, right now. This is Apple's entry-level iPad, starting at just $499 for the Wi-Fi only model with 32GB of storage, down from $529 for the previous model. Even the smaller 7.9-inch iPad mini costs more, starting at $599 with the same A12 Bionic chip. The larger storage option gives you 128GB for $649, Wi-Fi only version. And you can opt for cellular connectivity for an extra $200, taking the top-line standard iPad to $849. The optional Smart keyboard accessory, $235, is easy to attach, and gives just one tilt angle while you type. It supports only the first-gen Apple Pencil, $145, but this works very well. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.